In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add PayPal button in Godaddy. First, open the Godaddy website in your browser. Once you're on the home page, look toward the top right corner. You should see your account menu. Click your email address there to open your account options, then choose My Products. This takes you to a list of everything associated with your account. If you manage multiple sites or brands, pick the business or website you want to work on by clicking its card. From that site's dashboard, select Edit Website to launch the website editor. Give it a moment to load. When the editor opens, hover over the page area where you want the button to appear. You're looking for the option to add a new section. Click Add Section to bring up the section library. In the section library, scroll down until you find the Commerce category. Click Commerce, then choose PayPal button. You'll see several layout options designed for different looks and content arrangements. Pick the layout that fits your page style and click it to insert the section. Once the PayPal section is added, look to the right-hand side of the editor. A settings panel will appear where you can customize the content. Start by entering a clear section title. This might be something like Buy Now or Support Us depending on your goal. Next, type the item name. This is what customers will see in their PayPal checkout, so keep it descriptive and concise. Enter the price for the item or payment. Use the correct currency format you've set for your site and double check for typos. If you charge for delivery, add a shipping fee in the designated field. If shipping doesn't apply, you can leave that at 0. Accuracy here helps prevent customer confusion and avoids manual fixes later. You can also update the product image to match what you're selling or the purpose of the payment. Click the image area, select Change Image, and choose a suitable high-quality file from your library or upload a new one. Make sure the image is clear, properly cropped, and reflects the item or action you want customers to take. When you're happy with the selection and how it looks in the preview, click Done to save your image choice. That's all there is to it. You've navigated to your site, added a PayPal button section, customized the title, item name, price, and shipping, and set a strong product image, all within the Godaddy editor. Review your page to ensure everything reads well and looks consistent with your branding, and you're set.